So here we have HP P1108 laserjet printer. It has serious jam problems, paper jam problems. First we add the paper in it and see what's the problem and try to resolve its solution. So in this we install the paper. We open up this front panel and the side panel. So let's get started. At first we start out the printer and give a command to print. And here you have seen the paper jam problem arises here. So here you can see that the paper is jammed in the tray, and here's an error: jam in input tray. So it's HP original software we install, and there's paper jam problem in this printer. So here we have removed the printer tray page from the printer, and here you can see this is the problem. So now we resolve it. Now we open up this sensor here. It's the main reason in this problem is here's in the magnetic sensor which stops the paper jam problem, and we open it now. So here the problem is the sensor's rubber, which stops in the backward direction and never felt out back. So we sort out these problems right now. We cut down this type of PVC foam from here in a piece. It's a packaging material, PVC rubber type foam, which we use this type of pieces. We use this type of piece in the backward area. So here we have this type of piece we use in this type of magnetic sensor we use here. You can see here we add this rubber in this magnetic sensor. So this rubber is attached with the glue on this sensor here, like that, and this sensor stops the paper jam from it. It is a majorly lock for this gear here. Here we have found the gear, and whenever it rotates, this magnetic switch stops it. So it's the main reason for the paper jam problem. You attach it here, and this makes the back and forward action easy. We are using this type of synthetic rubber solution here. We attach it right down, one layer of it from here and one layer on the other side of the rubber. And we place this out on this magnetic sensor. And now in between 1 to 2 minutes we attach it down from here to here. So here's how we attach this rubber to this magnetic sensor. This rubber actually. Now we change the gear assembly with silicone greased all over the gears, and we change this sensor up. We repair the sensor up, and now it's ready to check out. So we have to print it. Oh sorry, we do not feed the paper in. So here's the picture out here. Here's the final testing of it. We first place the paper in the paper tray, and then we give here from the print command. And now let's get started. So here's the beautiful print from this printer. It's HP 1108 series of printers. So we sum up all these things and package in a new condition. So now we pack all the sides of the printer and we close it up, and it's time for final.